If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin update today. And as far as I'm concerned regarding Bitcoin at the moment, just a second here, okay, is we have this whole thing going on here in the 1 hour time frame, and I think it's time for Bitcoin to move lower. And it seems like we are trying to move, push Bitcoin all the way down to nearly a technical target of $22,165. So basically, one thing that I didn't like about this is that, even though Bitcoin is moving down like this, it didn't really backtest this trend line and then go down, right? So you have this support touch here, one support touch there, one support here, and then you went down, but you didn't backtest this. So there could be a dirty retest in the future if you do come down, but however, the pattern here is going to be on the 1 hour time frame. So look at this. You went to the downside, moved a little bit up like this, made a flag like that one, and it seems like you have a technical target to reach down to nearly $22,285. Now, at the moment, if you want to invalidate this pattern, it's going to be important for Bitcoin to move above 23,342. So if you do go above 23,342 for Bitcoin, that's going to be an invalidation point. However, we do have a technical target to come down here. Now, we do have 5 more days for the monthly closing, and as far as I'm concerned, this is not good. This is terrible for Bitcoin. Okay, this is not what exactly, but I'm not surprised because we've talked about bearish divergence. Look at this big bearish divergence, higher highs there, higher lows here. So this bearish divergence is actually playing out at the moment, and I've been saying this on a private group as well, that it's just like you have a magnet right here, and when you have that magnet, it's just pulling everything down. It's trying to pull things down. So they're trying to move up, but the divergence is like a magnet pulling the prices to the downside. So if you have any patterns, it's going to be destroyed. It doesn't, even look, this is a breakout, this is a little bit of a retest, but it's failing because of a divergence, because of that magnet that is acting like a very strong force. It's like you're trying to pull in a very strong guy, a guy who is stronger than you, but you cannot pull him back. So what do? It's better to push them, just push it down. If it wants to go down, don't try to bother with the market actually. So yeah, it is what it is at the moment. And coming back to when I said that 5 days, not even 5 days, 3 more days to close monthly, because it's February, we have few days in February. So 28 days in February, 3 days to close the monthly, 3 days to close the private channel. And so what do I have to say? If in 3 days you're looking for Bitcoin to flash crash, to make something big like this, red candles back to back, and you make something huge like that and move all the way down, you take out $21,000 and you take out $20,400, we are back for another big huge drop down. This is going to open up the windows, it's going to open up the doors to push Bitcoin to the lower $11,000-$12,000, okay, $13,000. This is going to actually open up the door for that. So let's see what happens. As I said before, I'm ready for anything that goes. I'm not bothered. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Hello, Office. All right. Sorry for the introduction. Now, what if I told you that there's a way that you can trade with very low risk, and we trade patterns? What if I'm searching for a pattern and I tell you to trade a pattern like this was Kishu that we trade actually, and then I give you some very quick updates in a very simple place, in one place at all. And these quick updates can help you to trade with me, okay? Whenever I trade, you trade with me, and I use my experience and my best knowledge, which you have been looking at, and you get to do the same with proper money management, and you get more chances of winning, which actually give you more guidance, and you don't have to be worried about your daily routine. It doesn't actually get disturbed. Now, all you have to do is just come down to the description of the video, scroll down, go to the signals agreement. You see this video and you agree to the agreement. It's a very simple, very straightforward agreement, nothing big. And then you click on Discord and you join the Discord. Now, once you have joined the Discord, all you have to do is go to the announcement tab and click on my name, Adam Coins, and all you do is you can click on message and you message me if you want to join and you're interested. So the entries